Welcome back to our channel with the program that will transform your booty. In today's video, we'll explore the only 5 exercises you need to grow your glutes, building a booty that will make everyone jealous. If you want to tone, strengthen, and achieve a firmer, more voluminous booty, get your space ready in the living room because you're in the right place. Let's go on this journey together to achieve the results you've always wanted. I prepared this program with a lot of care thinking of you guys, who, like me, want real and lasting results. The secret to success is simplicity and efficiency, so I have selected the most efficient exercises to sculpt the booty of your dreams. No more delays? It's time to break a sweat. Let's go! Before we jump into the 5 essential exercises, it's crucial to begin with a proper warm-up. Warming up not only prepares your muscles but also helps prevent injuries, ensuring you maximize your workout. Start with a light walk or a 5-minute jog to get your blood circulating. Next, proceed to dynamic stretches targeting the glutes and legs. These stretches will enhance your flexibility and improve your performance during the workout. Remember, a thorough warm-up sets the stage for a successful session. Get ready to transform your glutes with our specially designed program. Let's get started. The first exercise in our program is the bridge, a classic that never goes out of style. And you know why? Because it's simply amazing for activating and strengthening the Gluteus Maximus, which is the muscle responsible for giving that round shape we love so much. To begin, lie on your back on a comfortable mat, with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. In the traditional bridge, the arms are relaxed at your sides, with your palms facing down. Now, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement. Feel the strength in your muscles. It's important to keep your abdomen engaged throughout the exercise to protect your spine. Hold the position for 1 to 2 seconds, enjoying the feeling of strength and connection with your body. Then inhale again, and as you exhale, lower your hips back to the starting position. Remember to control the movement throughout the entire exercise, both on the way up and on the way down. No rushing. The quality of the movement is much more important than the speed. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions with a 30-second break between sets, and get ready to feel your glutes burning. Now that we've warmed up the glutes with the bridge, let's move on to the second exercise, the famous lunges. This exercise is fantastic because in addition to working the glutes, it also strengthens the legs, leaving everything firm and defined. To begin, stand with your feet together and your body upright. Take a step forward with your right leg, bending both knees until they form a 90-degree angle. Your front knee should be in line with your ankle without going past it, and your back knee should almost touch the floor, feeling a nice stretch in the front of your thigh. Keep your torso upright throughout the movement, with your abdomen engaged to protect your spine. It's important to look straight ahead to keep your balance. Now, push off the floor with the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position. Feel the strength in your glutes and legs. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions for each leg, alternating between them after each repetition. It's time for the favorite exercise for those looking for a powerful butt, the squat. This exercise is simply magical because it works all the muscles in your glutes and legs at once, in addition to strengthening your core and improving your posture. To do the perfect squat, start standing with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes pointing slightly outward. Keep your torso upright, your abdomen engaged, and your eyes fixed on a point in front of you to maintain balance. Now, inhale and begin to bend your knees as if you were sitting in a chair. Keep your knees in line with your feet throughout the movement, without letting them go past your toes. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as far as you can without arching your back. Feel the stretch in your glutes and hamstrings. Then, exhale and push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement to maximize muscle work. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions, with a 30-second break between each set. Get ready to enhance your workouts with the deadlift, a powerful exercise that will fortify your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also improving your posture and functional strength. To start, place a barbell on the floor in front of you. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, parallel to each other. Next, bend down and grasp the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, using an overhand grip, meaning with your palms facing you. Ensure your back is straight and your core is firmly engaged. Take a deep breath and, keeping your back straight, lift the bar off the floor using the strength of your legs and glutes. Avoid using your back to lift the weight. Exhale slowly as you lift the bar, maintaining control of the movement throughout the entire process. At the top of the movement, your knees should be extended but not locked. Inhale again as you slowly lower the bar back to the floor, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Control the movement to avoid dropping the weight abruptly. Perform 3 sets of 12 repetitions, resting for about a minute between each set. To finish our workout strong, let's focus on defining and toning the glutes with the kickback exercise. This movement is ideal for targeting the gluteus medius, which is key for achieving that rounded and lifted look we all desire. Begin by positioning yourself on all fours on a comfortable mat, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Maintain a neutral spine, avoiding any arching or rounding of your back, and keep your abdomen slightly engaged to protect your lower back. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, extend one leg back, keeping your knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift your leg until your thigh is parallel to the floor, feeling the contraction in your glute. Ensure the movement is controlled throughout, avoiding any sudden motions or using momentum to lift your leg. The aim is to feel the glute working throughout the exercise. Inhale again as you bring your leg back to the starting position, without letting your knee touch the floor. Repeat the movement with the other leg, alternating sides with each repetition. Perform 3 sets of 15 repetitions for each leg, with a 30-second rest between each set. After that intense workout, it's crucial to take a few minutes for the post-workout, also known as the cool down. This helps your muscles recover and prevents injuries. Begin with a light walk for about 5 minutes to gradually lower your heart rate. Feel your body relax, take a deep breath, and slowly release the air. Now, let's move on to static stretches. Stretch your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. Hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds without forcing it too much, respecting your limits. To stretch your glutes, sit on the floor, cross one leg over the other, and turn your torso towards the crossed leg. You will feel a deep stretch. For the quads, stand up, hold the ankle of one leg, and pull it towards your buttock. Keep your knees aligned. To stretch your hamstrings, lie down and lift one leg straight up, holding behind your knee, calf, or toes. Gently pull towards your body. And for the calves, you can do the stretch standing or sitting, always bringing the tips of your toes towards your head, with the working leg straight. Feel the stretch. Use these stretching moments to relax your mind as well. Connect with your body. Feel it. Remember, a good cool down is as important as the workout itself. Congratulations, workout successfully completed. Friends, did you enjoy learning about the only 5 exercises needed to grow your glutes? Share in the comments which of these exercises you already did, and which ones you want to start. It will be interesting to know, and your comments can encourage new practitioners of glute training. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. It will be great to have you with us on this journey. Show your support by liking the video and sending it to your friends who might also enjoy learning about the only 5 exercises needed to grow their glutes. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, and thank you.